Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to open Firefox browser console. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to any other browser and download the Firefox browser, as it does not come with the Windows system. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the middle of the screen we have the search box. We have it in the top side of the screen also. We have the tabs where you can go and open them, add shortcuts, and in the top right corner we have the three dot lines where you can go and check out settings and all of these things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and open Firefox browser console. So on Linux and Windows it is the same. So launch Firefox browser on your computer, click the three horizontal lines menu button in the top right corner here, and select Web Developer from the menu. Then when you select the web developer from the menu, what you of course then need to do is click browser console or press Ctrl plus Shift plus J on your keyboard. On Mac OS, then you need to click on the three horizontal lines again in the top right corner, select web developer from the menu, click browser control, or press Ctrl plus Option plus J on your computer. The browser console will open, allowing you to view messages logged by browsers, including network requests, JavaScript errors, CSS warnings, and more. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.